Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. This bold Cruze has the confidence to get you as far as your imagination can take you. It comes with great features you love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, Apple CarPlay, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive adds the 4-door Cruze is a handsome car shaped in the fashion of Chevrolet's well-received midsize Malibu sedan with even better proportions. Chevy, 100 years of icons. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Volkswagen of Inver Grove, creating customers for life. We are conveniently located at 1325 50th Street East in Inver-Grove-Heights, Minnesota, near Highway 494 and Robert Street, across from Best Buy.